The Russian government has revealed plans to develop an independent internet that operates separately from the domain name system used worldwide. During a recent meeting of the Russian Security Council, officials discussed an initiative to create an alternative to the DNS, claiming the move could protect Russia and a handful of other nations in the event of a large-scale cyberattack. But some suspect it could be a way for Russia to launch its own malicious operations, according to Defense One. The independent internet would cover the BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. According to Russian news site RT, Russian President Vladimir Putin is targeting August 1, 2018 for its completion. The alternative DNS is designed to protect the BRICS nations in the event of global internet malfunctions. And it would operate outside the control of international organizations. At a meeting in October, members of the Council said the plan comes as the increased capabilities of Western nations to conduct offensive operations in the informational space as well as the increased readiness to exercise these capabilities pose a serious threat to Russia's security, according to RT. The independent internet would give the BRICS national governments more control over their country's web use. In the past, Russian officials have insisted that the nation is not looking to detach from the global internet, but instead protect it from possible external influence. Russia's disconnection from the global internet is of course out of the question, Press Secretary Dmitry Peskov said in 2014, according to RT. Peskov also added, recently, a fair share of unpredictability is present in the actions of our partners in both the US and the EU, and we must be prepared for any turn of events. The spokesman then went on to say the nation has to think about how to ensure our national security. In light of the new plan, however, experts are not convinced that the move is entirely about national security concerns. Using an independent internet would reduce some of the risks of hacking an opponent, according to Defense One. The alternative DNS would keep the key trading partners connected, and separate from the target of attacks. There is a deep irony in Russia citing the increased capabilities of Western nations going attacks in the informational space, technologist Peter Singer told Defense One. It is like the fake social media account of the pot calling the kettle fake.